Have you ever wondered how you can turn your skills into a source of income? Welcome to the world where your abilities become your currency. Welcome to the Freelance Wonderland. Imagine a place where a writer in London can craft a compelling story for a client in Tokyo. A graphic designer from Sydney can create an eye-catching logo for a startup in San Francisco. A programmer in Bangalore can build a state-of-the-art website for a business in New York. This is not a fantasy. It's the reality of the gig economy, a reality where your skills can take you places. Let's dive into the world of freelancing, where every talent has value and every skill has a market. Take, for instance, the story of Tom, a graphic designer from a small town in England. Tom used to work for a local newspaper until he decided to take his skills online. He started offering his services on a popular freelance platform. Within a year, his unique style and dedication to his craft attracted clients from all over the world. Today, Tom is a successful freelancer, living his dream of working from anywhere, turning his passion into his paycheck. But how do you start your freelancing journey? It all begins with identifying your skills. Are you a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or perhaps a digital marketer? Each of these skills has a high demand in the gig economy. Next, join a freelance platform. There are many to choose from, each with its pros and cons. Research and select the one that best suits your needs. Now, to catch a fish, you need a good bait. In the world of freelancing, your bait is your portfolio. Showcase your best work, highlight your skills, and let your potential clients see what you're capable of. But remember, freelancing is not just about having skills, it's about marketing your skills. Consider the story of Maria, a digital marketer from Spain. Maria knew the ins and outs of online marketing but struggled to find clients. She decided to change her approach. Instead of just listing her skills, she started showcasing the results she had achieved for her previous clients. Her new strategy worked. Today, Maria has a steady stream of clients and a thriving freelance business. The Freelance Wonderland is full of opportunities for those ready to seize them. It's a world where your skills are your passport and your dedication is your visa. So here are the key takeaways. Identify your skills, join a freelance platform, build a compelling portfolio, and market your skills effectively. Remember the stories of Tom and Maria. They started where you are now. They navigated the freelance wonderland and found their success. Their journeys can fuel your e-commerce ambitions. The Freelance Wonderland is waiting for you. It's time to start your journey. It's time to turn your skills into your currency in the realm of the digital dollars dynasty.